Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, this is your girl Vivian Yamwanda. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, I'm at the airport and I want to do a quick video about hello, would you like to import your things from China? I'm talking electronics, furniture, clothing, kids play toys, construction materials, chandeliers, everything, tiles, anything you want to import from China. Please message me on my social media. I can be your personal shopper. All my handles are at Vivian Yamwanda. I'm gonna put the name here. Yeah, so let's shop together. Let's get things, shipping, agency fee and everything. I can help you with that. Importing, shipping and exporting your stuff from China, the shipping agent, and whether it's by air, by water, sea, yeah, and the charges and everything. I'm gonna talk about that in this video. I'm catching a flight so far, so that's why I'm walking. Please pardon me. Okay, I think I found enough lighting. Anyway, this video is going to target the individuals, companies, organizations that are into importing stuff. If you're any business person and you import stuff from China, I'll be a very great help, and I hope this video helps you and gives you an insight or one or two. Mostly if you're shipping your products or you've contacted a company to organize your goods, you may experience some challenges. First of all, there's fraud, which happens, I know, in every other country. At the same time, you may be ordering your goods and then, according to the quotation that you've given them, by the time you receive your products, you're not going to get the exact amount, the exact quantity according to the quotation that you had given. So if you have someone who can help you, just confirm with them before they pack everything and they ship them to your country, that would minimize the whole stress and the whole, yeah. At the same time, I can help you confirm the quality of goods. Mostly when I travel and check about the goods of a client, I have to make sure that the products are of good quality. So we can video call while I'm there, and then you can tell me the exact type of quality that you want, so that it will be easier. By the time you get your products into your country, they are the exact features that you wanted for your product. So if you're looking for a personal shopper, you want someone to just go and inspect your goods before they arrive to you, then you can reach out to me on my email. You can reach out to me on my social media. Sorry, they're cleaning at the airport. Yeah. Or you want someone to just confirm everything, or actually you want someone to help you look for the company to help with your shipping, I can do that. Okay, so let's say you want clothes, you want to look for construction materials, if you're building your house or your company is into building. So if you reach out to me, let's assume you know exactly what you want. You just tell me, V, I want this type. Most especially, I get kids clothing as what people require because that's what they sell the most. I need kids clothing. You tell me how many, what is the quantity, what's the age of the kids that you want, which gender you want to be specific, and then we check on that. Then I will, let's say if it's not in my city here, right now I'm traveling to another city, I go to that city, check it for you, and then we could video call, or you send me pictures and images of exactly what you want. Then I tell the company here that is manufacturing the product that you want. Of course, if you go to the company, it's going to be cheaper compared to you just checking randomly online. Yeah, so give you the cheaper amount, and then the quantity, I give you the quotation. I make sure they pack it exactly, safely, and it's the exact quantity, because sometimes, I'm sure if you're watching this and you've done this before, you give them a number. Let's say I want, for people who, let's say you want equipment like air conditioning, okay, they will put in lesser number compared to the number that you had requested for before. So at least if someone is there, they will pack it exactly, because I don't want to say that China or any other country to import is going to be easier to import from the countries. It's not just like any other country. Even in your own country, when you ask for products from a company or anything, chances of fraud are high, or not getting the goods that you requested for are higher. So having someone to help inspect whatever you've ordered is one of a good thing. and then I'm going to talk about air shipping and sea shipping. Of course, air shipping is going to be expensive compared to the sea shipping because it takes less time. Sometimes you can receive the goods in 2 days, 1 day. It depends with your country, because I'm sure from here to Kenya, I'm Kenyan. If it's here to Kenya, it will take just 1 day, and then the next day you've gotten your goods. And then mostly with the shipping agents that I'm using, you're going to get them the exact location that you're at. So let's say you're in Nairobi in a certain estate and you've given the correct location, you'll get them in your building, in your company's building. Okay, same if you are like located in the suburb areas, let's say Migori or anywhere that you're at. If you're watching this, you know Migori from Kenya. Okay, so I can help you ship or help you look for agents that ship to your country. Let's say if you're coming from Ghana, I think I'm going to insert some products that I was sending there, okay, from Ghana, or you're coming from just, these African countries most especially. It's easy to ship there. Even the Asian countries, if you can contact me, well and good. I think last week we shipped to Zambia, Madagascar and Mozambique. So just so you know, it can go broad. It doesn't have to be that because I come from Kenya, it only has to be from Kenya. So by shipping by sea takes some time. Some people get their goods after, let's say, 2 weeks or 1 month, but it's going to be cheaper compared to the air. So if you know you don't need the product like immediately, so let's say you still have stuff you're selling, but you have to pre-order earlier, I think shipping would be a good sorry for the call. So if you want to, let's say you have goods already and now you want to like pre-order or just not want to delay, I think sea shipping would be the best way for you. So like let's say right now you still have clothes. I'm gonna use clothing as an example. You have babies' clothes you're selling, they're still there, but you want to order in case they finish. I think a month gap would give you enough timing. By the time you receive your products, it will be a good time. So I hope I've given every detail required for this. Please, if you have any questions, comment down below. At the same time, you can contact me. All my social media handles are going to be here at Vivian Nyamwanda on every platform. vivianyamwanda@gmail.com. That's on my email. Vivian Nyamwanda on Instagram, on Telegram, everywhere, Twitter, everything, even the new one, Thread that came up. Please contact me and I will help you with that. So of course, if you contact me, if the products you want are in my city, then there's no need for you to provide transportation. Like right now, at the airport, which means I'm going to help deliver a service somewhere, which means the company has to provide my flights. At the same time, if I go there and it needs sleepover or it's taking longer, they're going to provide hotel money and all that. And I have a service fee because, I'm a student. I can't just abandon my studies to go and help with this. So services are easy and affordable. Services are easy, products are cheaper in China. So if you're into business, I think you should look into China as your market, okay, to source your products. It's very, very convenient. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you. Please help me share. Like if you're watching this, help me share this so that any person who has a business and wants to source from China can benefit from it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.